Whenever you hear the term wolf in a sheep clothing, as in a wolf a hide amongst the sheep them, just probably never wolves, a fox are hiding amongst the sheep. It can't be a wolf. I mean, probably say use the term wolf. Hide in a sheep clothing, just wait until the shepherd move so that he can eat one and two of the sheep the sheep them. We can't believe it, people. I never knew, I never expected to have Jamaican, I'm going to say analysts, who wanted Jamaica to lose to Curacao just to prove a point that, because they said that Curacao is better than Jamaica. So they wanted Jamaica to lose to Curacao to prove the point that Curacao is actually better than Jamaica. No, I could not believe when they see the context of me, I say, it's unfortunate. It's very, very unfortunate. And if Jamaica would have won the game, maybe the story would have changed to Jamaica was lucky, and look at what look at what the team could have scored, and look at what the Curacao team could have did, and Jamaica was lucky. When Jamaica lose the game, it was all I told you so. It was just all I told you so. All I told you so. Why? Me I tell people. Hey, funny, you know. Football world funny. No, when I look, I can't believe that there's a thing going around whereas we still at this point of the World Cup qualifiers campaign, there's still a sense of local versus overseas players. I don't understand why that is still popping in the atmosphere. I don't know why that is still even a conversation. I really don't know why that's still a conversation. We're in the midst of the World Cup qualifiers campaign, and that is still a conversation. When you look at the team that started, just look at the team that started versus Curacao. Only two players in that team that actually came from Jamaica. Only two. And that is Richard King and Ronaldo Cephas. Only two. And for some reason, because they come from Jamaica, these are the two easy targets. Two very, very easy targets. But when you look at the aspect of the squad itself is predominantly overseas based squad. Either they are playing from overseas or they come from overseas. We have a good squad, and the hyper focus is on where the players are coming from. And you have people who don't want players play because they're coming from wherever they play, wherever they're coming from. So when you look at the squad, when you look at the game, I said I wanted Joshua Anglin to play in the middle of the park. And the whole thing is because he come from Jamaica, why MG Sports is saying that. No, that's not the problem. I'm saying that because Joshua Anglin was the only available central defensive midfielder at the time. It's nothing to do with local or over. Nothing at all. He was the only central defensive team at the time. Now, the same persons who make the comparison of local and overseas. If Joshua Anglin was playing in Championship or Joshua Anglin was playing in League 1 or League 2, they would have no problem with me saying that. But the problem is because they have the mindset of local and overseas player that conflict them. So the first thing they switch to is he must say local, he must say Anglin because they're local. Just put away all of the attributes, all of the footballing agreements out of the way. It's all about local and overseas. And I find it very, very weird because when I see the starting lineup, I saw a right back in the CDM position, and I was like, no, that can't work. That just cannot work. Whilst we have a CDM on the bench, and me saying a CDM on the bench has nothing to do with local. It's just that he is a CDM. Why not play him? So I do believe that there are, I never believe, me see for myself now, that there are people in the context of YouTube, who still are push the local overseas concept, who still want Jamaica to lose to prove them point that Jamaica is just not good. I just don't understand that at all. How is it that you're saying you're supporting a team, but you want it to lose to prove a point, say the team not good? Or the proof point say a particular team is better than the team because you said so? It just doesn't make sense. Now, when people like me who are optimists said Jamaica should beat every team, Jamaica should win every game, I'm called deluded. But yet still, when I watch my club team, Arsenal, I'm saying the same thing. Nobody now say so. If you're a Liverpool supporter, you're saying the same thing. Nobody now say you're deluded. Yes, these are big teams. Nothing wrong with that. But you cannot tell me how I should support my team. Jamaica is my team. It's my country of birth. I support them how I feel. Me not gonna tell us don't support them. No, me not, or whatever. But if you want a team to beat your team, you need to check yourself. You really need, if you want a team to beat your team, to prove that the next team is better, you definitely have to check yourself. Anyways, it's just a quick video, people. It must seem very weird. It just... Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Smash the like button, hit us up. You never feel like it, video. It doesn't matter, man. Big up on yourself, people. The true Jamaican supporters who want to see Jamaica be great, who want to see Jamaica win, doesn't matter who they on the field. I could have 11 JPL baller, I could have 11 baller from EPL. It no matter who want to see the team win. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports Road. God bless. How me out there? Oh.